All right. Good afternoon or whatever time you're listening to this. I'm bringing an update on market update on the last update I dropped. And this is about cryptocurrency, those people that are fond of trading Bitcoin and others. So I'm bringing this update at least to you to further strengthen your reserve and help you make your buyers as accurate as possible. Now, the first thing is you will see that after the chart, the update I dropped yesterday, I made an update yesterday night about Bitcoin, where I mentioned what I'm looking at, and the first key level and the second key level about 9,400 to $9,700 as the bottom. We're expecting this to weak fish below if the down spike is not over yet. And on the upside, we have a key level functioning as resistance around this 10,900 to $11,200 region. And my bias still remains that we may likely see a push to the upside, to clear these recent highs. A very nice techniques to attack liquidity. One of the things that happen is that big players in the market, we always want to deceive retail traders, the kind of people that they just trade to make livelihood. The hedge fund managers, the big account holders, institutional traders, these people are they are smart in their doings, okay? So I have told everybody in this academy, no matter what level, irrespective of what batch you belong, that not all pumps are real and not all dumps are sustainable. All right, we've said that again and again. Sometimes we should understand how to think along with the market to say, if it were before, this little movement we saw from about $10,000 to $10,300 and it's still going up. The range I gave yesterday is that this push may extend to as far as $10,800 to $10,900. This region, you have this moving averages and this key level, they are very important. So until and unless we see a higher time frame closure and a very crazy, violent push and a violation of this key level here, which is at $10,900 to $10,200. If we see a solid higher time frame close above this, so we can begin to change our bias that the downward spike we're expecting, that last leg downward may not happen again. But I'm thinking there are a lot of liquidity around 9,400. This will be the final shakeout, okay? See, you buy when there's blood in the market. That is when you should put your money in the market. I am more or less a conservative trader, and it has helped me a lot. One of my mentors will say, okay, it was Warren Buffett that said, and somebody quoted him as saying that you buy when there's fear in the market, okay? You don't buy when everybody feel like buying, okay? You should be somehow extreme in your bias when it comes to technical analysis, trading the financial markets, either stock or bond or fraud or any of this market, okay? So still the bias remains, okay? And I want to also inform you that our class continues tomorrow morning, okay, on Friday. We're having this class. Let's have the Friday class at the morning, all right? But if that is not okay, probably after tomorrow's class, we'll take it to the evening. But Saturday, of course, we'll be having a class in the morning, and Sunday, it will be after church service in the afternoon. We will communicate this time to us after class tomorrow. So I'm excited and I'm expecting every one of you. Okay, everything is set. We are set to, we are going back to class back to back. Let us slay these guys. Don't forget our slang. We are not a man of trading nonsense. We are not a man of gambling, right? We are liquid metals of the market, the Indaboskis of the market. All right, so that is that on Bitcoin. And anything that plays out on Bitcoin will indefinitely affect the altcoin. So if you are altcoin traders, beware. All right, make sure you have this clarity before putting your money in the market. Let's go on the higher time frame like daily and see what we have here. You can see that we have a bit of consolidation at this level. After this violation, we have not retested it yet. So on the daily, it appears so well. This moving average, which moving average is this? The 55 EMA on the daily is functioning as resistance. So it is not type of place if you come over here to tap this region, all right? And for now, I'm flat. Not so flat. I have some long-term holding, some altcoins, but I'm waiting to refill my bags. I'm waiting to buy more, provided we see this confirmation either to the downside or to the upside. Okay, there's no problem. Okay, look at this base here. What I was explaining on the 4-hour time frame, can you see it so clearly on the daily right now? See, if we are to go up, we see the target. If we are to come down, we see that there's a support. Okay, just price action is now trapped within two important concepts. The key levels align with moving averages on the daily, which is fantastic. All right, I look forward to hearing from you all. Okay, if this message, if this update is blessing you, do well to reach out and let us know if it has accomplished one or two things. Okay, people outside there, when they see update like this, they are grateful, they appreciate it. So it will help us and it will make us know that you really look up to having this update. So tomorrow in class, please make it a time. I'm excited. See, we are loaded and we are ready for class. All right. Do have a wonderful day. Is there anything I would like to show you people? Now, XSP, okay, XSP also. There are certain coins you can use to measure, to gauge. There are some stocks or some forex pair you can use to measure what will likely happen in a cryptocurrency market. Most often than not, anytime we see a down spike in the price of commodities, maybe metals or the likes of gold, it has a way of shaping our bias as to what we should expect in other markets like cryptocurrency and the others. Okay, all these things, the correlation, extension, and all the likes, we'll be talking about them more extensively when we get back to class, and we're starting tomorrow morning. All right. So I'm happy to see people. And is there anything like XRP? Okay, XRP again. Wow, XRP. See, this line here is the last bottom line where I'm expecting the XRP to find solid support. If there's anything, if Bitcoin was to dump after that reach the upside, I'm expecting this region, the 21 cent region, to be the last dumping stage. Okay, and after that I'm going long and I'm going fully. All right, so for now we can still see if Bitcoin was to go and test that 10,008. Okay, I have these levels marked out for XRP. We may come to the likes of 26 cents, okay, before we now have that down spike to the downside if we are getting it. But any closure above this level here, how did I get this level marked out on the 4-hourly? You will see what I mean. See, this small guy has been functioning as resistance for some time now. Okay, so if we close above this, I think we should still get to this level, and that will not it will amount to Bitcoin reaching $10,800 also. If you check the market dominance, coin market cap, I've mentioned it again and again that you should never trade altcoins in isolation. You should never do that. A time should not come where you so much focus on XRP, you so much focus on Ethereum or the like. Say, check market dominance. BTC dominance is 56.4%. It means the entirety of cryptocurrency market capitalization, Bitcoin is taking above 50% of it, and that is huge. So anything that happens to Bitcoin, you should expect it to have direct effect on other coins. Okay, it's so huge. Bitcoin is altcoins. So pay attention to Bitcoin. Pay attention to what is happening to Bitcoin. I have the BTC dominance chart here. It's falling. Anytime BTC dominance is falling, it's good for altcoin. Okay, it means the strength is leaving Bitcoin. Definitely, it's going somewhere. Are you getting the gist? Okay, when strength leaves Bitcoin, that is time you should be ready, and it is good for altcoin. But when the baba is moving, when Bitcoin dominance is getting high, like we're getting to 62.4, 63 and the likes, you better be careful of your exposure to altcoins. Don't tell anybody. I'm just saying. Okay. All right. You can see I'm excited in my voice. I just relocated, I'm in another state entirely, but everything is set. I'm ready for class. I'm ready for you people. All right, so I hope you are ready too. So let me hear from you. Okay, do have a wonderful day. Do have a wonderful time. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye-bye.